Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how you can earn 500 rupees per day in share market. I am going to explain each and every step in detail. So make sure you do not skip the video and watch the video till the end. We are going to use inside day strategy to earn 500 rupees per day in share market. Inside day is an extremely effective and it gives powerful risk to reward ratio. Now let us understand what is an inside day. So inside day is a 2-day price pattern. So inside day occurs during a strong trend which can be either uptrend or downtrend. So this is a strong candle. As I told you, it is a 2-day pattern, and there is another candle. And what's so special about this second candle is that the entire range of this second candle is engulfed within the stronger candle. It does not mean that the previous trend is over. It only means that the stock or security is taking breather. Volatility is contracting. And as I always say, this is just a calm before a storm. And we can utilize this to our advantage. We are going to be profitable most of the times. The first candle, which is a strong candle, it is called as preceding bar, while the second candle is called as inside bar. You will find inside day slash inside bar in any time frame across charts and index. I have laid down some rules for the formation of preceding bar and inside bar with respect to bullish and bearish market. We are going to see that once we come to bullish and bearish inside day. The greatest success of inside day lies in when there is a strong trend which can be uptrend or downtrend. I have divided the strategy of earning 500 rupees per day from inside day in share market in three parts. We will be creating inside day bullish screener as well as inside day bearish screener. You just have to run the screener. I am going to give the link as well, and after that I will tell you what to do. Now we are going to see some examples of inside day with respect to uptrend or bullish trend. In front of you, you can see that there is a well established uptrend going on. Stock, index or security is making higher highs and higher lows. But one day there is a small ranged bar and the entire range is contained within the stronger and sizable bar. In case of bullish momentum or uptrend, this stronger bar should be of green color. We are going to come to that later. So what is happening here is that both sellers and buyers have taken a breather. They are just resting, and after that they are going to decide where to take the price. But as we talk, inside day is an extremely profitable 2-day price pattern during major trend. In case of bullish market, we can use that without thinking. It's extremely easy and the most profitable. The profitability is almost equal to trend line. Now the next question you must be asking, where should we place entry, stop loss and target? In case of bullish trend, you place target just above the high of inside bar. The color of this bar or inside day bar is almost immaterial. We are not concerned with that. And the stop loss should be the low of the inside day. But this is as per books. But what I do is that I place entry just above the inside day and stop loss just below. For example, this is the inside day bar. This is a strong candle. So this high is 100 and low is 95. So what I will do is that I will place my buy order above 100, which can be 100.10, 100.20. It all depends on you. And regarding stop loss should be below 95, 94.90, whatever you want to do it. It's up to you. The target is generally twice to that of the stop loss. So in case of this, the stop loss is 5, so target is 10. But what I have seen from my experience is that the target is passed very easily. You will get more than 1 is to 2 risk to reward ratio, because that's the power of inside bar. When you see a contraction during a major trend, there is a possibility that the next candle will be extremely sizable, almost equal to this candle. Now we will see inside day with respect to downtrend. So let us see what really happens over there. In front of you, you can see there is a strong downtrend going on. The price is making lower lows and lower highs. And one fine day, there is a candle and the entire range of that candle is contained within the previous stronger candle. In case of bearish trend, the sellers are taking a breather while buyers are trying to push the price up, but they are not able to do that. Similarly, when we talked about inside day candle with respect to bullish market or uptrend, the similar rules applies over here. The entry in bearish trend should be the low of this inside day, or rather lower than that of the low of inside day, and the stop loss should be lower than the low of, or rather high of, this particular inside day. And target as always should be minimum, that is the minimum target, twice to that of stop loss. I'm not going to take the example here. You have understood the example with regards to uptrend, and you can make your own example. I do not want to make the video longer. I think I should take an example. So for instance, this is a bearish candle and this is an inside day bar. The high is 100 rupees and low is 95. So your entry should be lower than 95 and stop loss should be lower than 100. And with respect to target, it should be twice of that of stop loss. So our stop loss is 5 here. The target should be 10. So we will get 1 is to 2 risk to reward ratio. That's minimum. You will get more than that for sure. Now let us see some rules regarding formation of preceding bar, which is nothing but a bar having strong range and bar that encompasses the next day inside bar. In case of uptrend, the color of preceding bar should be green, which will denote that the bullish momentum is continuing, while the size and the body of the preceding bar has to be bigger than that of inside bar. which will indicate that it's just a correction and nothing more than that. Similarly, in case of dominant downtrend, the color of preceding bar should be red, which will denote that the bearish momentum is continuing with full force, while the body and the range of the preceding bar has to be bigger than the inside bar. So we will come to know that this is just a correction. If you take the help of volumes, the volumes for inside day bar will be extremely small as compared to the stronger candle, which is a 1 day ago candle. And the most important thing about the preceding bar is that the size or the range of that preceding bar should be twice. So for example, this is an inside day price pattern. And if the range means low and high of the bar, so if the entire range is 50 of inside day bar, then the preceding bar's range should be at least 100, which means twice to that of inside bar. Let's see what's next. So we have already seen these rules regarding formation of inside bar. I have explained everything with example. If you are not able to understand the example in the video, then I am going to share this PowerPoint presentation and I will put the link in the description box. You can check that out later once you finish watching the entire video. Now the most important question all of you must be asking is, how do I identify a dominant trend? This is an extremely easy process. For uptrend and for downtrend, we are just going to consider last 2 weeks. Specifically speaking, in terms of uptrend, what we want is that the close of second week should be greater than first week. And for the third week, the current market price should be more than that of second week. So what we are doing is that we are just considering past 2 weeks of bullish momentum plus current week. In case of downtrend, what we want is that the close of second week should be lower than the first week, while the current market price, which is the third week, that should be lower than the second week itself. So if I put it into, or if I summarize, we are just looking for 2 weeks of bullish momentum and 2 weeks of bearish momentum. That will classify as uptrend and downtrend respectively. This is just a minimum criteria. Sometimes you will find that the inside bar is occurring after 3 weeks or after 4 weeks. That's totally fine. We can trade that. I will tell you how to do that. I have also created a screener for this. It will automatically give you inside day candles or bars in uptrend and downtrend with that screener. You just have to run the screener. That's it. Now I will give you some examples of inside day on a daily chart, so that you will get clear idea about how the inside day formation get formed on a daily chart and what kind of risk to reward we can expect if we trade or take position into one of these inside day patterns. I have back tested this strategy and found some examples. If you back test, you will find more examples. I am going to only give few examples. So first of all, as I told you, the first example we are going to take is that of Jindal Steel and Power Limited. So first of all, we have to go to weekly chart and find a dominant trend. If you see last 3 weeks candle, the close of second week is greater than the close of third week. The close of current week is greater than the close of the second week, which means that this is an ideal candidate. Now we have to go to daily chart and see this pattern. there is an inside day. Now we will check if this inside day candle is equal to 50% or less than 50% of the strong bullish candle. So range of the strong bullish candle is more than 13, and let's see range of this inside candle. So we don't want more than 6.5. So it is less than 6.5. So we can consider this. So in case of this thing, as I told you, we can take entry above the high of inside day candle. So if we could have taken entry above 229 or 229.70 or 75, see the current day candle went as high as 230.25. So we have got almost 6 rupees of profit in just a single day using this powerful strategy. Also, one thing I would like to mention is that with stop loss you can be flexible. Sometimes what happens is that in a single day stock goes about 10 to 15 rupees, but then after it may not go as far as we would like. So hence you can just book the profit over there. But one thing is sure, that there is a 0.1% of danger your stop loss is going to get hit, and that's a remarkable thing. I don't think so you can find any strategy having this kind of success rate. Now the second example we are going to take is that of Tata Steel. On a weekly chart, just consider last 3 weeks candlestick, and you can easily see that the close of second week is greater than the close of third week, and close or current market price of current week is greater than the close of second week. Now we have to go to daily chart and find a inside day candle. This is the inside day candle. What is the range of this? The range is 13 rupees. So we want the range of stronger bullish candle to be more than 26. So here the range is 501 to 530. It is easily more than 26. So we can place buy order above 531 and see how far it went. It went as far as 535. As I told you, we have to be flexible with stop loss. What I do generally is that I do not carry forward my position. Once I find inside day, I just square out the position on the same day itself, because we don't know what is going to happen in next day. So you have to also do that. Now that we have seen two examples of inside day on daily chart, it's time to create the bullish and bearish inside day screener. This is our step number 1 for earning 500 rupees daily in share market. For that we have to go to chartlane.com, and here we will click on create scan. So first I will create bullish inside day screener. I will add couple of filters, then I will explain you the meaning behind it. So let us add, so high of latest day, which is current day, should be less than 1 day ago, 1 day high. The second one is the low of latest day, which is current day, should be less than, rather should be greater than low of 1 day ago. Now we will understand meaning behind these two filters. So latest high should be greater, rather less than 1 day ago. This is a 1 day ago candle. So this is the latest high, that should be less than 1 day ago, and latest low should be greater than 1 day low, which means like this. So we got inside candle, which is the inside bar and the preceding bar. So we got these two price pattern from these two filters. I will add one more filter, that is close of one day should be greater than open of one day ago. I will tell you meaning behind it. It will give us bullish candle. So this is the open and this is the close, which means close is more than open. So we will get preceding bar or one day ago candle as a bullish candle, and that's what we want when we are trading inside day in a bullish trend. Now we will add two more filters. So select close of 1 week ago should be greater than close of 2 weeks ago. Now change the value 1 week ago and here 2 weeks ago. Another filter, close of 2 weeks ago should be greater than close of 3 weeks ago. So close of 2 weeks ago should be greater than close of 3 weeks ago. So right here. So what it will give us, so we are trying to make sure that this inside pattern over here is formed during a well established uptrend. So for that we need the at least minimum 3 weeks including current week. Their close should be higher than the close of preceding week. So we will get this pattern. This is a current week, this is a second week, this one is a second week, and this is a third week. Let's add two more filters. So here we will add high of one day ago should be greater than high of 1 week ago. Now change the value. 1 day ago high should be greater than 1 week ago. Similarly, add one more. High of 1 week ago should be greater than the high of 2 weeks ago. Change the value over here as well, 1 week ago and here 2 weeks ago. Now I will tell you the meaning behind it. So this is a 1 day ago candle. Let me select a drawing tool. This is a 1 day ago candle. This is an inside candle. So here what we want, let me clear this, we'll understand. Okay, so this is a 1 day ago candle and this is an inside candle. So this formation is part of current week. So what we want, 1 week ago high should be greater than 2 weeks ago. So what does this mean? That the high of 1 week, this is 1 week ago, this is 2 weeks ago. We not only want close to be higher than the close of 2 weeks ago, but if high is greater than 2 weeks ago in the chart, it will ensure that the bullish momentum is continued and stock or security is making higher highs, and that is what we want. Then only it can be classified as a well established trend. In case of this uptrend, 1 day ago high should be greater than 1 week ago. This will mean that again this well established uptrend is continuing till 1 day ago, but on the current day you saw this inside candle, and as I have told you, this is nothing but just a correction. So this is our inside day bullish scanner. But the filters in screener are not over. I am going to add two more filters. The first filter is I prefer trading into stocks which are highly liquid. So for that I am going to add one more filter. So the market cap should be greater than number 500 crores. Now the second one is I only trade into stocks which are above market price of 100 rupees. So add that as well. Close, latest close should be greater than number 100. So we got highly liquid stock and also we got stocks above 100 rupees. So this is our bullish inside day scanner. Just see how easy it is. You just have to understand the formation of different candles on daily or a weekly chart. Then you just have to add those values in chart link screener, and it will automatically sort the list for you. So it's just one time work, and you will keep on reaping benefits every single day afterwards. If we click on run scan, it will give us list of stocks. We have got 13 stocks that we are able to pull through this bullish inside day scanner. You can save the scanner as well in ChartLink if you have an account. So I'm going to save this as bullish inside day stock screener. Similarly, I will create bearish inside day stock screener. I'm not going to show you the entire process, but I will explain you the logic behind adding each and every filter. You can see that I have already added all the filters in bearish inside day screener. Now I will explain you filters one by one. So what does this mean? Latest high less than, let me remove it and show it. This one, latest high less than 1 day ago. This is 1 day ago candle, and latest high less than 1 day ago. This is high. Latest low greater than 1 day ago low. So we will get this inside candle. The third one is for market capitalization. As I told you during creation of bullish inside day stock screener, I prefer trading into liquid stocks. The fourth one is 1 day close greater than 1 day open. So this will ensure that the 1 day ago candle is a bearish candle. 1 week ago close less than 2 weeks ago close. What does this mean? This is 1 week ago. This is 2 week ago. So what we want is that the 1 week ago candles low to be less than 2 week ago candles low, which means that there is a well established bearish momentum. The third last, 1 day ago low less than 1 week ago low. What does this mean? So this is a 1 day ago, this is 1 week ago, this is 2 week ago. So this will ensure that the well established bearish momentum is continuing till current week. The next one is 2 weeks close less than 3 weeks ago. Similarly, this is nothing but the continuing bearish momentum. Security is making lower lows and lower highs. And the last one is 1 week ago low less than 2 weeks ago. This is similar to that. So we are just using this filter to ensure that there is a well established bearish momentum going on in the security.
Now I will click on run scan. It is not any stock which qualifies in this list. This can be a disadvantage of inside the list of various stock because it concentrates on quality and quantity. Having said that, we only need benefits. We are not going to trade into 3 or 4 stocks. So that is the main thing, and that is the advantage of that we need to look at the other way. Because when we face such kind of pattern, you are almost guaranteed multiplied return. So similarly, we can say this time as well here because we the name as various inside day stock. We do not need to make or create this screener. I'm going to share links of both various inside day stock screener and various inside day stock screener in the description box. You can check that out later.
Now we are done with step number 1. In step number 2, we are going to add all the stocks which are pulled through bearish and bullish inside day stock screener. As we did not find any stocks in bearish inside day stock screener, we have to add all the stocks from bullish inside day stock screener. If you already have account on ChartLink, then you can click on dashboard. Here you will find all the screeners that you have saved. So I am going to click on bullish inside day stock screener, and these are the list of stocks which I am going to add in watch list. To add all these stocks into watch list, we are going to use investing.com. So open investing.com, then click on portfolio. Then here click on this plus sign, create new portfolio. So I'm going to give the name as inside day. Let me capitalize I. Inside day stock. So currently at the time of making the video, the date is 21st November and the next trading session is on 23rd. So 23rd November. And click on create. So now here click on again this plus sign. Okay. So we have given the name to our watch list. I will show you how to add stocks into watch list. So first one is I can't pronounce it. So I am not going to say the name as well. So I will add the first one. So type the name of the script. Okay. Now we have added first one. Similarly, we will add rest of the stocks. I won't show you everything because I do not want to make this video longer. I have added all the stocks in watch list as you can see from here. So all the stocks are there in the watch list. Now we have completed step number 2. In step number 3, we are going to manually examine charts of all the stocks and we will remove or weed out all the stocks which does not conform to inside day price pattern. All the rules which I have laid out, those rules have to be abide by all these stocks unless we are not going to trade into that and they will find way out of our watch list. To manually examine charts, we are going to click on charts. Click here. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds. It will load charts of all the stocks in the watch list. You can see in front of you. Click on full screen icon. Select candlestick. So here are the all stocks. You can see in right hand side of your screen. So now we will start the process of examining charts manually. So first one is prestige. So see here what we want is that the range of 1 day ago candle should be twice than the range of two latest day candle. So range here is close to 19 rupees. So it should not be more than 8 rupees. So here it is 10 rupees. So we are going to remove this stock from our watch list. Let's proceed to second one, Hindustan Aeronautics. So here again from naked eye it disqualifies from all the rules that we have laid out. Third one is Larsen and Tobo. Again this is going to go out as well. Fourth one Siemens. Again it does not seem like the latest day candle is 50% or lower than the 1 day candle. We'll see the fifth one, and that is it is loading. Wait out a bit. We'll move on to the other one, Exide Industries. So Exide again from naked eye it disqualifies. We click on SRF to see if we can see the chart of it. Now we'll proceed to the next one, Power Grid. Oh, it looks like a decent pattern. See, the range of 1 day ago candle is more than 19 rupees. So it should not be more than 8 rupees. So range here is less than 6 rupees. So we can take this. So what we will do, we'll place buy order above the high, which is 194. So 194.05 should be your entry level and target should be high of this one. I won't encourage you to place stop loss here. And one thing I have learned from my experience is that you have to close down your trade at the end of the day. Do not carry your positions because sometimes it might just hit your stop loss and then retrace to higher levels. Now we will check the chart of SRF. It was not loading. So let's see. Again from naked eye we can make out that this does not fit into our rules. So last one we checked was power grid. So we'll check after that. So next one is Mahindra and Mahindra. Let's see the range of 1 day ago candle. It is more than 29. So it should be less than 14. 15. No, it does not fit into our rules. So next one is MAS Financial Services. Again, it does not look like it is going to fit in our rules. So next one is alkyl amines. I hope I am pronouncing it the right way. Let's see the range of 1 day ago candle. It is equal to 3265 and 34. So it is more than 100, 200. So 185. So the current day's candle should be less than 90. Low is 3361. So that's 40, 80, 85. Okay. So we can take this. We can shortlist alkyl aminos for trading. Next one is Motherson Sumi. Again from naked eye you can make out that it does not fit into our rules. The next one is Max Healthcare. Again it's more than that, more than 50% the latest day candle. We'll move to next one, the last one. I can't pronounce the name, but I'm going to call Signate. I hope that's right. So let's see the range here. The 1 day ago candles range is 4437 to 500. It is 63 and 73, 76. So it should not be more than 35. So 20, yeah, it fits into our scheme of thing. So we are going to place buy order above 471 or 472. Depends upon your choice or how you feel, but it should not be 471.05. And do not carry out position for the next day. I am telling you, and I am emphasizing this point because I have seen people getting profit, and for more profit they carry their position and then lose out on everything. So we have only shortlisted this Cynent and this one and Power Grid. Only these two stocks. To remove stocks from watch list, click on this full screen icon and go to summary. Here you will see list of all the stocks. So we are going to remove stocks which did not fit in our inside day price pattern. I have laid out all the rules. So this does not fit. Again Larsen Turbo, Siemens, Excite, Power Grid fits into our scheme of things. I'm removing all those. So we only have two stocks that we are going to trade for next day's session. You know how easy it is. It will it will not take even more than 2 minutes for you to do it. As I'm giving you link to all the filters, rather intraday bullish and bearish inside the scanner. You just have to run the scanner, then examine the chart, and examining the chart won't take more than a minute, as I have shown you simplest way of removing the stocks which does not fit into the all the logic I have explained throughout the video. Now one question all of you must be asking, how can I choose one out of two? So let me show you. We'll go to charts. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds for all the charts to load and then click on candlestick. So we'll first of all I'll tell you power grid. So in power grid I feel that looking at the entire price action, first of all let me see the other one as well. See the volume here. The volume on power grid is not even half of the 1 day candle. So we can trade this pattern and I see high possibility and probability of this power grid stock going above 194 and achieving our target. And this second stock again I don't know how to pronounce it. If you know how to pronounce it, you can put the comment down below, then I can check that. So I will also learn something new. So here you can see there is a huge wick in 1 day ago candle, and for the current day the volumes are almost similar. So I'm not really sure about this one, though you can check it. See, you will learn things with experience. I cannot help you to give like my experience. It will come uh, slowly as you get more involved into trading. You understand different price pattern, how price moves, and which type of candle works best in which environment. It is going to come. So for that you have to watch my videos, as well as you have to try to be independent and try to match your analysis with what my analysis is on every single day, as I make videos for best stocks for intraday and also bank nifty and nifty analysis. So you can match your analysis, it will help you learn more, and eventually you will become a trader that you always want to be, a profitable trader. I will put that in double quotes. If you like the content which I am dishing out on my channel, make sure you watch all the videos, and if you have any suggestion or any question, please do not hesitate and put those questions in the comment box. I will be more than happy to answer all of them. Thank you for watching.